Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis video. So today, yesterday, we saw that the big guys, they had their short positions, huge call writing, basically both by Propdex and FIIs. So today market went up, and then again, like, we shorted at the correct moment, and we got a nice profit. So that is basically like I also posted it on Twitter live, so you can go and check out the time and the at that time what was the price. So 22,200 PE was bought at 60, and 22,150 PE was bought at 30 and closed at 60. So this gave 2x, and 22,200, so it also gave almost like 66%. So anyways, if you liked my post, so don't forget to put a like, and those who are new here, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also if you don't follow me on Twitter, you can do so. And talking about the other data points, that is so today, I mean, there was some delay in starting the indicators. So but when we started in the second half, as you can see, it started from almost 1330. So if you look at here, that is from 1332, 1334. Okay, the score dropped from -13 to -46. So even if you go and look at Nifty, that is at 1330, where it was almost. So here it was almost here. After that, the fall started. Okay, as you can see, and so that's what, like, how the indicators performed. Even like if you look at here, that is BankNifty also. During that moment, the score, like, it was 17, then -16, then -31, and dropped. Okay, and then, like, as you know, BankNifty went down finally. I mean, today it was down basically, but Nifty went up, and then finally, like, it somewhat came down to 22,100. So the main thing was that the idea behind this trade was, that is, market went to 22,200, and the big call writers we discussed yesterday, they were trapped at 22k. So even like I posted the trade first in the I mean, my trade in the Telegram channel, and then I thought of sharing it on Twitter as well, and so I did. And also, like, yesterday, so this is the same Telegram channel, guys. If you want such analysis during the live market hours, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group. And talking about on the charts, everything worked out perfectly. Like if you see here, bottom, so I even tweeted that if 21,926, if this breaks, then the major support is at 21,800. But both these days, market took support there and went up. And talking about Bank Nifty as well, it went up and got resistance from 47,000 to 41, exactly from there. Okay, and I have shown you, like, I posted, tweeted, I have shown you several times these levels on this analysis videos. And also talking about Fin Nifty, it came down and taking support near 20,649. So now the next question is that whether market will go down or up. So let's discuss according to the data points what's happening. So there is a confusion in the futures. So let me tell you what actually is happening. So for the FIIs, they are like, they have taken some long positions, but mainly they have shorted. Okay, so why this short positions? It's, you will see that this is almost equal to yesterday's amount of short positions. Okay, so this is what they're doing. Like those who have shorted, those FIs who have shorted, let's say when market was below 22,000, and they saw the opportunity that 22,000 was breaking down, so they shorted. Okay, so now what they have, like, to recover, I think they are averaging out their positions. Okay, and on the other hand, these Propdex, if you see, so they are like going long. Now yesterday I posted in the EOD data analysis, that is, please note that the Propdex who went long, matlab 2 दिन पहले, so 2 days before, the Propdex who went long, so there was one Propdex went long heavily and one Propdex went short heavily. Okay, so just go and check the video. So what happened was that the short guys, yes, they are, like, I even while posting EOD data analysis yesterday, I mentioned this, that is, the Propdex who went long, they are still not closing. Just go and read this. Okay, I couldn't make the video yesterday, yes, but I posted it, and I clearly wrote that we should keep this in mind. And so the thing is that they are, I think, now seeing a hope that they can recover, and they did not close yesterday, so they are averaging out. Okay, so this is almost the same quantity they built that I mean the last to last day, okay, on Tuesday. So the thing is that like there will be a tug of war now, like bulls and the bears, there will be a tug of war, because one is like shorting and averaging out to get profit out of their short positions, and on the other hand prop decks, they are going, they're averaging out the long positions. But on the other hand, they are also not closing. Those prop decks who went short, they still haven't closed. Okay, so now what will happen? The fighting will start. Like yesterday it went down, today up, so like this one day up down will continue. So talking about the overall data, so most of the positions have been closed because you know that like by Thursday most of the positions gets closed and again fresh builds up. But now for now, if you look at overall position, so put writing is the FIAs are like put writers and call buyers, but call buying thoda zyada hai, matlab utna kuch khas nahi hai. Okay, so I think those little bit of extra call buying are mainly made for those future short positions where those guys have got short, but in case market shorts up, so I think it's just kind of hedge. And now let's look at the prop decks. Prop decks, if you look at here, that is put buying, and इसमें भी मतलब put buying उतना कुछ खास quantity में नहीं है, लेकिन हाँ थोड़ा बहुत put buying है. And again talking about the other data, that is call writing. Okay, so that's the overall scenario. Like option chain is like slightly neutral to bearish, okay, not heavily bearish. So it will depend on what the fresh position starts building up tomorrow. And futures is like a tug of war will go on between the FIs and the prop decks, and that's my overall view of the data. So again, those days where I could say my final verdict, I do say, but now like we cannot conclude surely we can't conclude, okay, with like over 80 or 90% accuracy. So that's why like we will have to see what the fresh positions are building up as we go ahead tomorrow, and thus decide what trades to take or what not. So yeah, that's I think I have discussed everything. And okay, let's go to the option chain as well. So this is the next Nifty expiry. So you'll see that like not much activity, like here 22,200, both side positions are building up. So not much activity you will see for now. Tomorrow the main thing will build up, and as you can see 22,000, there are PE writers, okay, who are sitting there, the big PE writers, and 23,000 is the big CE writers. So this is like 1,000 points gap and where they are sitting. And talking about the April expiry, so this is the April expiry, 42 days left. So if you look at here, I showed you the last video, that is if you look at here, let's go to 23k. So 23k, as you can see, like on the call side 7.8 lakhs contracts, and on the put side 2 lakhs contracts are there. Okay, so I mean, what's happening basically is that on that day we showed that almost same quantity was there on both the sides, but I think market went down tomorrow, and some kind their stop loss was hit. So as I told you, like they were safe till like 22,000. Okay, so I think market went down to more than 22,000 and hit their stop loss. So that's why like they are closing, and nothing else. Okay, so and now they are also carrying their like yeah, let's go to Bank Nifty again. So okay, Bank Nifty, even if you go to the April expiry, so let's go once to the April expiry. Okay, let's see what's happening in that there. So Bank Nifty, if you look at here, that is 49,000 are the ones where, like if you see, both the sides positions are getting from 6 lakhs contracts are there on this side, and almost 10 lakhs contracts are there on the call side. And going below you won't see much, but at 45,000 some writers are there. So this is what within 2 months or not even 2 months, like this March is half done, so April, and so that's what like they are taking, that 49,000 to 45,000 would be the range. And so that's how you can analyze the range. But again, notice that 49,000 put writers are there, so some kind of up move can come. So what I mean, they are what their analysis is saying. Okay. And so that's it for this video. So I hope you have enjoyed my analysis. So if so, please do share it among the other traders, and please put a like, and thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.